Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my box braids. My box braids were actually butt length, so keep watching. So I undid my hair from the ponytail, and I actually took the ponytail to school, and then I did a small length check because I was trying to see if my hair was growing, and apparently it did grow from the last time. Then I combed my hair, and when I'm braiding my hair I like to work in sections because it makes it easier for me and it makes me see like what I've completed and what I haven't completed. So the braiding actually took 3 days. So I sectioned the part I wasn't gonna work on the first day and braided it so that when I was working on the back part, the front part wasn't going to shrink. I actually like working on the back part first, then the front. And also when I was braiding I used extra virgin olive oil on my hair. My hair actually really likes extra virgin olive oil, so that's what I use, and other things of course. So when I was done parting my hair, I started working from the back. I tried to make my sections as neat as possible. As you can see, I was showing you guys the length of the braids I chose for myself. So as you can see, I chose it to be around my butt, so that's how long I wanted them to be. This was day 2, and I actually finished quite a number of braids on day 1, and I was going to continue from there. Day 2, I actually finished the back section I had made on day 1, so I was moving on to the front section that I had saved for later. I also had to divide that because I knew I wasn't going to finish it on that day, and I braided the part I was going to finish on the 3rd day. Okay, so quick disclaimer, this actually took me 3 days because I was going to school, so the only time I could braid myself was at night. So the next day I would go to school and then come back and continue. So if it wasn't for that, maybe it would have taken lesser time. So yeah. On day 2, I actually covered a lot of ground. So on day 3, I actually didn't have much to finish off. So finally day 3 came and I finished off the front part, like my hairline, and in no time I was actually done. This is how the braids are looking. They're actually up to my butt. I can't really show that, but now we're going to decorate them. So let's get into it. I have this gold string that I'm going to use. I'm going to put on some of the braids. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like and leave a comment in the comment section below, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.